smiles. You're gonna give me beauty.
Yes.
Noora gonna give me beauty.
Yes. Good to see you.
How are you?
Oh, you're welcome.
Give me that smile, okay?
Yeah, you're gonna look amazing.
So, from disgusting teeth, I'm gonna have a beautiful teeth with this girl support. But I must say, the staff is amazing. They're beautiful. You know what?
We love you, Mama.
Love you more. Look. And she's smiling because she got a good teeth. Isn't it? I want that teeth, okay, Noora? I want that
You're
teeth.
gonna look even better.
So let's begin. See you, girl, in a minute. With a good teeth, okay? With a Hollywood teeth.
Huda Mazidi.
Huda. Oh, that's my niece name. Beautiful name, Huda. And
I'm Robin.
Robin. Okay, so let's begin, Noora.
Yay.
So Noora just explained that it's like a teamwork here in neurosurgery. So this beautiful girl, Huda, she's a specialist of gum disease. So anyone come for treatment and they go like a gum disorder or any disease, Huda deal with that. And before any treatment, Noora makes sure, Dr. Noora, to consultation. The consultation is very important. So she signed loads of paperwork from me, but still she showed me all this, what's gonna happen, how she gonna perform my treatment, what's gonna be the outcome, how she gonna use the machine. So it's give a full confidence to the patient. Client, whatever. It's a very good thing. Noora explain you everything. So आना यहाँ पे और नूरा आपको अच्छी तरह explain करेगी. सही है?
Then we talk about like, so you can have, because we're going to put like the cheek retractor so it protects your gums. You could have teeth sensitivity that's associated with whitening. That is normal, but usually it is temporary. Okay. The gums and cheeks could get like a little bit irritable, but that's why we cover them when we do it, and that's why it's very important for you to have someone professional to do it for you. The lips could dry up, but we're going to use some soothing gel as well on your lips to protect them. If we have leaking fillings, then we will need then we might need to change them, or they could feel a little bit super sensitive. Roots could go shorter, but most importantly, with whitening relapse, definitely does happen. That's why we make you extra trays, bleaching trays to use at home, and then we give you extra gel so that you can maintain it. So it doesn't mean that you have the whitening and then you have to keep.
So in other words, you give aftercare as well.
Yeah.
So it's not just a treatment. Noora will guide you for the for the home kit, and as well as that to give you a full aftercare, which is very important for every treatment.
Yeah. Okay.
We all done and ready for the treatment. Oh God, I look disgusting. I look like alien. One of the current girls, they say, still talking.
Yeah, it's amazing.
So this is the hair, okay? Oh my God, now it's another thing coming in my mouth. Here we go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Cool mama.
Cool mama, yeah. Everyone is waiting for mama teeth.
Give me the.
So I'm not going to talk because loads of you
She's not
comment
allowed to talk
and
now.
they say, oh look mama, she's still talking. So I'm not going to talk this time, okay? Just watch the treatment.
First we put some lipstick on. Here we go. You won't be able to talk anymore, unfortunately.
We can't have her being copyright claimed.
She knows.
Beautiful.
Papa Smurf. So this is the stuff that covers up your gums and protects them. Fun? Yes. Hi. So we have the Zoom whitening done. Mama can't speak. She's got the whitening gel on her teeth and the protective glasses. They're orange because it protects from the, you know, the light that is, because it's quite an intense light. It's not intense for you guys on the video, but on hers it is intense. And then, so afterwards we're gonna do, so there it is. So it lasts 15-minute cycles. And we've got Robin and Huda. Oh yeah, so we're talking about Zoom. So it is very, very important to have your whitening done with a dentist, because otherwise it's not going to be, if you have it done with a dentist, what it is, we know exactly, we get the real stuff. Those people who specialize in selling the whitening gel and the whitening kits, they only sell them to dentists, because that way we first of all make sure that the teeth are healthy, and the teeth, we don't need any fillings and everything like that. So dentists are qualified to understand how that is done. We do a full checkup. And then afterwards, once we make sure that everything is safe, the teeth are okay, the gums are okay, that's when we do the whitening, okay? And then we go through the consent form and we know exactly what are the risks and benefits, and we have the proper concentration that is safe for the patient. If you have it done with someone other than a dentist, that is a beautician or something like that, there are two possibilities. The first possibility is that it is illegal, because in the UK, whitening with someone other than a dentist is illegal, okay? Or the second possibility is that it's not bleach. So if it means that it doesn't whiten at all. They will show you photos of before and after, but they're not bleached. They could be polished or something like that, but they're not bleached, they're not whitened. So that's why you need to really make sure that when the person who does the whitening for you, whatever way it is, the whitening, that it has to be a qualified dentist to do it for you. And that's why it is all safe. The consequences of not having it done with a dentist or someone qualified is that you can end up having root canal fillings, the teeth might die, teeth might be super, super sensitive that will not go away. You could have gum disease, you can have all sorts of problems, and then it will cost you double the amount of money to fix the problems that you started while they could have been avoided if you had it done safely. So that's the main thing, is be safe and have it done with someone who's a professional. I wouldn't go to a mechanic and have my nails done, you know. I wouldn't go to like a builder and tell him to put a peel for me or something like that. You just need, if his teeth, it has to be a dentist. Michael. Yeah. So this is the final cycle finished, and we're revealing the lovely white teeth. Give me cotton balls, please. God. They don't show very white because they're against very white, like white. But you'll see, when I remove the protective layer, you'll see how lovely your teeth are gonna look. No, you're sensitive. Yeah, they're not sensitive because the Zoom has got an anti-sensitive solution, so that's why it makes them so much nicer. Okay, here we got, show us the A1 and the B1, let's see. Yeah, that's called the A1. So we went 3 shades lighter now.
Thank you.
Ta-da!
That was the good part.
It's so easy, isn't it? You wouldn't expect it to be so easy. There it goes. Let's give you a mirror.
Oh my god. Straight away. So this is after 1 hour. So my teeth look already really white, and now the next step is bonding. I'm still wearing my bib. I had a 5-minute rest, and look, my skin is peeling as well. Oh my god, I'm proper mess, but after my teeth I'm gonna look great.
Yes.
Noura's busy preparing my bonding. Can't wait. And then, you know, in my vlog I'm gonna be like 24/7 smiling.
Yeah.
So I used to hide my teeth. It was proper yellow. You can see the difference straight away. And this is just one zoom. So yes, some of the beautician, they did whitening as well, but they're not allowed to use high peroxide. They're only using, legally they only allowed 0% peroxide. I know the law because I was level 4 beautician. So never ever ever go to the beauticians to do your teeth done, because as Noura say, only professional know how to treat your teeth. So always go to professional, okay? सिर्फ professional के पीछे जाना, ऐमें गैरे नत्तू खैरे से ना बनाना. So Noura, I already told you about teeth whitening and about bonding, cosmetic teeth treatment, and also about the gum disease. But wherever you go, make sure they are highly professional people. You know why I travel all the way from Cardiff? Otherwise, so many people offer me these from Cardiff, from other places. I'm not gonna name it, bonding and thing. But why I choose Noura? Because 2 of my daughter already done teeth whitening and teeth bonding, Maliha and Nafia. Nafia one is amazing, mashallah. And my big concern was sensitivity of the teeth. I can't take sensitive teeth. So I was keep asking Nafia, your teeth is sensitive, your teeth, and mashallah, in nearly 1 year, Noura. And her teeth is, mashallah, so good, healthy. So that make me come to Noura. So, you know what, always go to the good people and look for the review as well. Media is a good platform to find out about people. So I highly recommend Noura, because and that's why I travel all the way from South Wales. Take me 4 hours to come here, because the thing is, she is Bambar.
This is a lot more comfortable than the other one.
Oh, this is better.
Yeah.
The other one is so hard.
Yeah, because that one is for whitening to protect your tongue.
This one is easy.
Yeah, this one is really nice. Hey! So now we did the first 2 teeth right in the middle. So we did the first 2 teeth right in the middle now, and then because they are the most important 2 teeth. So shape them just provisionally. In the end, we're going to polish them, and then we're going to do these 2 to bring them like forward and make them longer. But see, look, now they're restored now to how they should have been. Ready? Are we excited?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah, 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 bismillah. Oh my God. You know what? Thank you so much. It didn't even feel like I had done something. Honestly, it's so beautiful. I saw other people and it looked like they done something, but with my one, it looks so natural. So from now on, I'm gonna be like, hi Khalku.
Hi Khalku.
Oh my God, this looks so beautiful. Thank you, girls. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God.
amazing. Thumbs up. And it's bombard here, bombard.
What's Mr. Khan
So-
gonna say?
He gonna say, let's marry again and again and again. Oh my God, that is beautiful. It's so beautiful. My teeth always disgusting because of too much coffee and I don't know. My teeth was proper disgusting. And look
Now
at
you
that.
came to beautiful smiles and you have a beautiful smile.
So, thumbs up, and I highly, highly recommend Dr. Noora. Beautiful smile. All these girls, come and sort it out your teeth if you got disgusting teeth like me. It little bit feeling a little bit strange, but part of the is, you know, I'm so excited. I even don't know how to talk. Look at that! Oh my God! I look 20 years younger.
Of course.
I look my lips. It's look like I did a lip filler or something. So it plumb up my lips as well. I love the result. Look, guys, look. Oh my God! I love it. So if you want I'm so excited. I can't.
You want a beautiful
So
smile?
if you want beautiful smile, good-looking teeth, I'm 10 year younger. 10, maybe 20.
20
maybe
even
20,
better, right?
20, no 10. If you want to look 20 year younger, come and use Dr. Noora experience. Have a good teeth, and it's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely. I love it.
Mama ji, दिखाओ, oh, mashallah, oh, wow. Oh my God, doesn't she look amazing, guys? Look at that.
Wow.
Say look at her.
I'm not gonna talk. I'm going to say.
No, that looks so good. Look at that.
Just perfect.
I know, just as bright as a smile. Look.
I can't stop smiling.
Oh, go home and see Nafia and say, look at me, Nafia.
Oh my God, my son will love it. He will love it.
And Mr. Khan. Mr. Khan.
Of course, Mr. Khan gonna love it.